Aquí vamos, en el yunque. Miren la caminata, no hay ni sol donde estoy caminando. Esto es el yunque, rainforest in Puerto Rico. This is yunque rainforest in Puerto Rico. That's a trail that you can walk in the middle of the jungle. I hope we don't get lost. I don't see nobody, no houses, nothing over here. Just trees and rain. How we find. The rain doesn't stop, so I keep walking. I don't even know what is Paul anymore. I think I lost him. Paul, wait for me. Pablo. We've been walking for like 5 minutes. We don't stop walking. Oh my god, I'm scared already. I'm lost. Let's see. There's no signal, nothing. Just trees and trees and trees. I don't see fruit. I don't see nothing anymore. For the last 5 minutes, I don't see nothing. 10 minutes walking and I don't see nothing. I think Paul left me. I hope I don't get lost. Oh my god. Where are we? Yunque rainforest. Are we alive? Are we okay? Come over here if you want to escape from the city, if you want to escape from the crowd. This is life. The rain don't stop. Oh god damn it. Oh shit. Are we lost?